Hi everybody, it's Jane here. Just like to introduce our latest software called Keyword AI. Now, Keyword AI is a nice little tool which will basically help you, especially with the latest update, Penguin update. You may or may not know, there's a lot of sites getting penalised now for anchor text over optimization. So instead of directly linking your main keywords, now there's a lot of sites getting penalised for it. So what we've done is we've developed a tool which will help you generate nice friendly search engine keywords. Now when you first load it up, you get a one-time registration. That should come up in a second. There you go. Okay, now you enter your information exactly as you had it in the email. If you do have any trouble, don't hesitate to contact our support desk at www.client-area.biz, and one of our support staff will be only too happy to help. Okay, this is a one-time registration. Once it's registered, you don't have to do it again. Move the software there so you can see it. Okay, now we try and make all our software as simple to use as possible. It's a very, very powerful piece of software, but it's really easy to use. So let's go through it. It does two main things. I'll come to that in a minute. Word filter. Okay, we can load up a word filter that you've previously saved. We do include one with it that you can use. You can add or delete words to this, no problem. And basically, these are words that we don't want it to include in our keywords. Okay, if you wanted to add to it, you just click on the bottom and then go to add your text to it, and then click Save Word Filter, and then the next time it loads up, it'll come up with your words in. There's another little thing here, create anchor link text. Now basically what that does is, if you want to create friendly links, if you like, that you can place in other software, or even in our plugin, WordPress plugin that goes with this as the one-time offer, called Keyword AI Syndicator. There's more about that a bit later on in another video. But if you wanted to use it in any software, to create a basic href link, what you do is you click that tick box, you type in your URL then, and what it does is, once it's generated the keyword, it will actually then scan your site main page and your inner links. It will build href anchor link text and store it in a file ready for you to cut and paste into whatever software that you're going to use it in. So that's a really handy feature there. And if you don't tick that, then you type your keyword in here and it'll generate some nice search engine friendly keywords for you, because diversity is the key. It is the key. As many different keywords that's not directly targeted as you can. Right. Obviously don't build them too fast, but diversity, it's the key. It's the key with links. Right, okay, so target keyword. Let's have a look. We'll put caravan. There you go. So let's say for instance we were selling caravans and we wanted to target that. We'd used to use caravan as a direct anchor link before the latest Penguin update, but now it's really not suggested wise to do so. Or mainly not. There's certain circumstances where it's okay, but we'll go into that again on another video. Okay, so once you've done that, you hit start. It will then go and check. It'll go and check the license, and then it'll go and do its thing. It's not instant, but good things come to them that wait. It takes a little time. It does a hell of a lot of processing and a lot of calculations. There you go. That's one of our sites loading up there, our flash site. PR Stomper, some of you may have had that already. And then it'll go to do its thing. It'll tell you on the screen, processing keyword data. Please wait, this may take a while. So what I'll do is I'll pause this just for a second while it does a little bit more. There you go. It's doing a few more calculations now. It says please wait. It's not far from done. It's worth the wait. Okay, status complete. Now what that's done there is, in the folder that you run Keyword AI from, it will have created a file. If I bring that folder up now just to show you, it will created a file there called, or it creates 3 files, but there's only one that's got anything in it, and that's the keywords file. So you can click the keywords file. If I drag that over a little bit, and you can see a few of the keywords that it's generated for us in that keywords file. Now, if you use it the other way, you can see these other 2 files here. Them keywords then, sorry, you can cut them. You can either, you can do what you need to do with them. You can paste them into other software, or you can use them with our OTO, with our add-on, if you decide to purchase it, the WordPress plugin, or you can use it on any third-party software. You can do what you need with them, but they're friendly ones. If you use this checkbox here, and it actually builds the href links to your site, to your URL, not builds them to that, but produces them, then you'll get these files as well, and you'll get some stuff in as well, which I think I'll show you now. Okay, once that's completed, then you'll have a little box there that just tells you that it's complete, and it tells you that it's saved the file as well. Okay, so let's demonstrate now. Let's say our website was caravansarus.com. It's not, but let's say it was. Then what we'd do is our keyword that we wanted to target would be caravan. We would click create anchor link text there. You don't have to worry, like I said, I've just showed you it's saving, but if you, for some reason, you need to manually save, you can press that button, it'll manually save your keywords as well to that point where it's up to. You've got to note, if there's no keywords there, it will overwrite the file and you'll end up with nothing, so make sure you copy the keywords that you need before you run it the next time. Okay, we just press start. That will then go and do its thing. It can take a while, depending how big the site or the URL that you put in here is. It all depends how many links it finds on that site, on the main page. The more links, the more links you've got to start, the more links you're going to have to finish. Okay. What I will do in a second is I'll pause this. There you go. In progress. It's got a few different pointers as it goes through as to what it's doing. I'll pause this video for you for a second, just so it doesn't take too long for you. Okay, it says it's processing links filter. Please wait, this may take a while. What it's actually doing is cleaning up your links, making sure there's no corrupted ones or any rogue text that it doesn't need in there. So it's doing a lot of calculations, so we'll bear with it for now. Okay, it's finished filtering the links now. It'll move on to the next part. The next part it's doing is actually calculating your keyword data. There's a hell of a lot of information there, so it might take a while, depending on obviously how big the site is that you're working with. And then when it's finished, you get the box there telling you it's finished, then it's saved your files. It's saved your files, there you go, you've got keywords, anchor links, and you've got raw URLs. That's all. We'll do some more videos over the next few days for you, but that should give you a good idea of how powerful Keyword AI is.